You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Lock the wipers in the raised position. To do this, switch off the ignition, then press down on the wiper lever. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. To avoid any damage, put the arm delicately on the windscreen. Before you do this, place a paper towel to protect the glass. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put in the new blade, slide it into its housing. Put the blade onto the windscreen.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Lift the windscreen wiper, then turn the blade 90 degrees. To remove the wiper, pull it towards you to release it from its mounting bar, then remove the wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new ones in place, clip them into the housing. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.